Okay, guys, this is going to be your class for today. We are going to perform a workshop about only trinomial factorization, okay? For this class, we are only going to perform exercises about factorizations of trinomials, but in our next class, that is on Wednesday, we are going to do a miscellaneum about all the cases we already saw in my class, okay? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to factorize these following expressions. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as always. And what you're going to do here is you're going to identify in which case of factorization of trinomials are you and what do you need to make the factorization of the trinomial, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind and good luck because you're going to need it. Okay, you're not going to need it. You're going to need your notebook. That is what you're going to need actually.